Hello everyone, today we are going to present why does lake freeze from top down. My name is Meemii.
My name is Ham.
My name is Link.
My name is Shannon.
First, why lake freeze from top down? Lake freeze from the surface down due to a combination of factors, primarily related to water density and heat transfer. As the water temperatures cool, the surface water become denser, sink, and force warmer water to the surface. Next is, what is water? Water is formed by a covalent bond between oxygen and hydrogen atoms. It is polar molecule because of the higher electronegativity of oxygen atom, causing the water molecule to have negative on oxygen and positive on hydrogen atoms. This contributes to hydrogen bond between water molecule, which is a weak bond between hydrogen from one water molecule and oxygen from another, as you can see in the pictures.
Next is how the heat transfer affects the structure of water molecules. Heat affects the movement and arrangement of water molecules. In liquid form, water contains more heat than in solid form, making the molecule contain more kinetic energy and colliding with each other more often. However, when it becomes solid, heat is released, which makes the molecule slow down and form crystalline like this. Moreover, a physical change in water occurs when it freezes. Water changes from a liquid to solid form or ice without altering its chemical composition.
What is crystalline lattice? It is when water freezes, it loses its energy and settles into a stable and uniform pattern by forming hydrogen bonds with neighbors with repeating hexagonal lattices. Another reason for water to freeze from top down is because its density. Density is the ratio of mass over volume. At above 4 degrees Celsius, when the temperature decreases, most molecules, including water, will get closer, making the density increase. However, at below 4 degrees Celsius, water molecule forms more hydrogen bonds, starting to arrange into a specific shape, which is crystalline lattice that I mentioned in the previous slide, taking up more space or volume than that at above the temperature. According to the formula, density is inversely proportional to the volume. Therefore, ice is less dense than water, making it float on water. So as you can see in the picture, it shows the highest density of water, which is at 4 degrees Celsius.
Lake is real-life example. A glass of water in freezer. It starts freezing at the top first. The ice forms a hard layer on the surface, while the water underneath stays liquid for a while longer. Second, pond freezing in a park. In the winter, small ponds in parks freeze on the surface. Cold winter air cools the surface of the pond. Water freezes at the top because cold water forms when it becomes ice. If water breaks, it will have liquid water underneath and may be fish swimming. And the last one is ice freezing in Minnesota, USA. The surface of lake becomes solid ice. However, beneath the ice, the water remains in liquid form, allowing fish to survive and swim throughout the winter. Ice forms on the surface and is less than water is forced. The last one is example video.